5, which is about theoretical framework and hypothesis development. The first part will be of chapter 5 will be theoretical framework. Theoretical framework developing on the basis of literature review. Okay, this is the chapter outline. Theoretical framework. Your beliefs and how certain phenomena or maybe variable or the concept are related to each other in a model, and an explanation of why you believe that these variables are associated with each others. This is a theory. Okay, first you have to understand, okay, what is a variable or maybe the concepts. Okay, so variable, in next slide maybe I will discuss in the detail. Then we will discuss about what is a model. Model mean is a combination of variables. Okay, the resultant output of the variables will be the theory. Foundation deductive research approach or deductive research moving from the general or theory to the specific organization. We already maybe taught, I taught you in the maybe second chapter about deductive and inductive approach. Theoretical uh, framework is purely belong with the deductive approach. We also can say quantitative study. Okay, so let's move to second one. Okay, basic steps: identify and label the variables correctly. What is the variables? Okay, we will discuss in this chapter in detail. Okay, state the relationship among the variables, formulate hypothesis. Okay, variable 1, variable 2, what is the relationship between variable 1 and variable 2 can be a hypothesis. Okay, explain how and why your expect thesis relationship. Okay, the relationship, what will be the relationship between two variables? Okay, hypothesis, a testable statement between the two variables. We can say formulate a hypothesis mean testable statement. We just propose, then that statement test through the data analysis, and then you will have an answer of that hypothesis. Here. More easy. Here. Okay. Example of theoretical framework. First, I already discussed variables. See, reward is a variable. This is motivation is a variable. Work performance is a variable. Valence is a variable. Okay. The types of variable I will tell you. IV, independent variable. Other dependent variable. Then mediation variable, moderation variable. I'm going to discuss one by one. Okay. Independent variables, which is not dependent on anything, is called independent variables. Dependent variables, which is depending from external factors, is called dependent variable. I'm giving you example. In case of parents and the children relationship, okay, no, you are a student. How to call Nura, Nurzam, how to call you? How to call you?
Husna, sir.
Husna. Oh, last name Husna.
Yes.
Okay, Husna.
Yeah.
So in your case, okay, you are taking degree, okay, degree program from UUM, right? Okay, and you also spending so much money on your degree program, right?
Yes.
And that money, who paying for to you? You are earning. You have any job? Do you have any job?
No.
No. Then how you afford the fee? Who paying fee for you?
Uh, I take a loan from government.
Okay, government. Okay,
Yes.
so
And
in your
parents
case,
also.
and the parents, see,
Yes.
you are dependent
Because
on
you cannot.
two things from
Yeah.
government. You're depend. See, okay, you are depending on your parents, okay, and you are depending on government, right? Two.
Yes.
So, so you are dependent variable. Suppose depending, and the independent variables is your parents because they are giving you money. Okay, they are not dependent on you. You are dependent on your parents, right?
Yes.
So, so in your case, we can say, first of all, we have to understand the variable definition, which is not constant. Variable definition is which is not constant. Everything which have change, it's called variable. This is a variable definition. Suppose weather can be a variable. Weather can be constant, can be fixed. We can fix, we cannot fix the weather, right? So it's a variable. Even here
Um.
in this case, yeah,
Weather
yes.
is not variable. I think. Right.
Weather can be fixed. No, variable. Weather
Not
can be
variable.
variable. Yeah. The definition of variable cannot be constant, cannot be fixed. Everything which has the ability to change, we can say it's a variable. Like here, in this case, in this case, that motivation and work performance. Work performance is the dependent variables, dependent on reward and motivation. If we don't have a reward and motivations, might be our work performance will be not good, right? Our work performance will be not good. So this is a reward is an independent variable. It's not dependent on work performance, but work performance dependent on reward. Okay.
Okay,
One
sir.
more example. One more example. One more example. Suppose student performance, your performance is dependent variable. Okay. Learning, teacher, training, these are the independent variable. Okay. If you will not learn my this subject, might be your performance will be low in the research methods, right? If you will not read, you will not memorize the given data, then how you will pass the research method? If you will not attend the classes, classes attendance, your attendance is an independent variable. Okay, but the result of research methodology is dependent variables. Got it? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Hafizuddin. Hafizuddin, yeah, you can hear me, right?
Yes,
Wow.
yeah.
Yes, good. Yeah, you look like Shah Rukh Khan. Wow. Where are you from?
From Penang, sir.
Penang.
Penang.
Do you know about Shah Rukh Khan? Who is Shah Rukh Khan? Who is
Yeah,
Shah Rukh Khan?
the actor.
Actor.
Yeah.
Nice. And or you or you want to become a Cristiano Ronaldo?
No,
Eh?
sir, no.
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 No. Okay, no. So, so what do you understand about variables, independent variable and a dependent variable? Did you get anything?
Yes, sir. So dependent variable, there is must be something that are able to contribute to the performance. For example, to
Yeah.
environment. So,
Yeah, independent variable must be contribute independent variable. Okay, and dependent variable cannot give us output, cannot move forward without the help of independent variable. We can say in simple words. Okay, so let's watch the some of videos. Okay, one more video. One more video. Oh, this video don't like your class. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay. What you understand? What did you understand from the last video? Okay, hold for a minute. Hold for a minute. For a minute. Okay. Concept, construct, and the variable is a mental picture or perception. Its meaning can vary from one individual to another vision. Another. The concept has a progressive level of abstraction at which it cannot be measured. Okay, might be. What is the concept? Puasa, no worry, huh? Just for the example. Okay, what is your concept for your Hafiz? What your concept about this bottle? Can you see? Okay, no. This mobile. Can you see this mobile? Okay. What is your concept about this mobile? What is this?
It's a telecommunicator.
This, yeah, this is a mobile. Okay, mobile. What is the function of mobile?
To call, receive call.
Receive call. Okay. And how about the Husna? Husna. What is this?
To communicate with others.
Hmm. Okay. What is
Medium to communicate.
Okay. What is the brand of this mobile? What is the model? Do you know?
No, I can see.
But you know, this is mobile, but you are not sure about. Might be this. This mobile can be Apple. This mobile can be Samsung. This mobile can be Huawei.
Vivo.
Vivo. Yes, very famous Vivo. Yes, and others. Noor. Okay. This one. Can you see this mobile? What is this? I'm not sure. Is it mobile or what is, or might be internet device? Noor Liana. Is it mobile or this is internet device? Where is the other member? Okay, Mazia. Why you are so much confused? Looking so much confused. Anything is okay?
I'm okay, sir.
Okay, then what is this? What is this?
Smartphone.
Smartphone. Okay, brand?
I cannot see, sir.
Can you see this one?
I cannot see. iPhone? Maybe
I see the Vivo.
Vivo.
Yes.
Okay.
Like I guessed before.
Yeah, you guessed before. And how about what is your understanding about the earth? What is the understanding about your earth? Husna,
Yes.
okay, how about what is your concept about moon? Moon.
Moon.
Yes.
Moon. I think that because in our universal we have two on sun and moon. Without moon, there's no night.
Okay. And you, Hafiz, any understanding about moon function?
Moon is giving the sunlight during the night day.
And Mazia, and what is your understanding? Moon.
about moon. Beautiful.
Moon is moon. Yes, moon is moon.
Everyone attracted to moon. I think.
And everybody can see the moon. This is
Yes.
understanding, right?
Yes.
Noor, what is your concept about moon? No concept, right? Noor Liana, can you hear me? Or you don't want to hear me?
Yes, yes, sir. I hear you.
Okay. So in simple meaning, in other words, simple words, every individual have their own understanding, right? How they are looking, right? The personality might be Dr. Imran personality. What is your concept about Dr. personality? Okay, might be Noor Liana can see, oh, he's good man, he's a good teacher. Okay, appraising myself. And Mazia, oh, very strict. Why are you asking us to hold the camera, participate? Okay, in Hafiz. Yeah, he can be my friend. He praise me. I'm looking like Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, might be doctor give me good marks because I'm Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, different understanding la. And Husna can be see, okay, why? He's an irritating person. Okay, everybody have their own understanding, okay, about to judge my personality. Okay, what is your concept about my personality? Can be different. Understand? But might be is difficult to measure la. If difficult to measure, only just understanding. Just understanding. If you want to measure and might be divided in the parts, then you will, convert it into the variables. Like see, let's our construct next. Here exists a higher level of abstraction than concept. Okay, this is a more higher level than concept. First, anything you perceive, anything you understand, it's your concept. Might be your concept will be correct, or might be your concept will be wrong. Okay. Now, on the construct, justice, beauty, happiness, health. No, one of the my things, my personality characteristics. Okay, I'm the introvert or extrovert. There are there are many, but I'm giving you two major types of my personality. How about you? Can you judge, Liana, what is my personality? Can you judge my personality? I'm an introvert or the extrovert? This will be your understanding. See, this will be your concept. Okay, what is my personality? Don't worry, la. You can give me answer without any worry. Huh?
Extrovert, sir. Extrovert.
Extrovert. Okay, how you know I'm extrovert? On what basis? This is the
Because
justification.
you can socializing in a large group with people, have
Oh.
many friends.
Hmm. Okay. And Mazia, how about you? What's your understanding? Introvert, right? What is my personality? Hmm?
Extrovert.
What
Extrovert.
is my personality? Introvert or the extrovert?
Extrovert.
Oh, you are also supporting to Diana.
Yes.
Hafiz.
Talkative.
Hafiz.
I think you are extrovert because you are able to speak in front of the big audience.
And Husna, what your understanding? Husna, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sir. I have problem.
Oh, problem with
Yeah,
me?
that's why. No.
Your
The
problem with me?
internet connection. No,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Can you
Okay,
repeat
okay.
again?
Okay, how you can judge my personality? My personality is introvert or the extrovert?
I think that you are extrovert, but
Oh,
you know that
but
each person have both
can be a
introvert and
both
extrovert.
personality. Oh,
Yes, it depends on which and who they are had a relationship. Uh, yes.
see. Okay, okay. So here, first, you must know about the who is the Imran. Okay, this is your concept. What is your understanding about the Dr. Imran? Okay, this is your concept. And the elaboration of the Imran personality, it will be a construct like introvert or extrovert. Okay, construct. But you cannot measure directly with the help of other factors. Okay, number one, I'm social. Okay, I'm open-minded. Then I can be an extrovert. Na? Okay, the open and the social, this will be the variable. These will be the variables. See, okay, variable is a measurable representation of the abstract construct. Mean this one, abstract construct. Understand? Can you measure the entrop or extrovert personality directly? No, we cannot measure directly without the help of the characteristics of extrovert. Okay, what will be the okay? We like to for go for travel. We like to meet. Okay, make new friends. Okay, open minded, social networking. These are the characteristics. Okay, so here is open-minded can be a one of the variables. Understand? These are the major concepts. Please don't forget about it. Okay, the variables. See, we already discussed any concept or the construct that varies or the change in the value. Here, read. Any concept or construct that varies or changes in value is called variables. Main types of variable: dependent variable, or we also can response variables. We already discussed. We discussed now dependent variable. We already discussed. Understand? We already discussed independent predictor या explanatory variables. We can say independent predictor या explanatory. No moderating variable. Moderating variable. Okay, I'm going to give you the one example. See, listen carefully. Training and the employee performance. Here, I'm going to write here. And employee performance. Okay. So in this case, employee performance is DV or IV? Independent or dependent variable?
Dependent, sir.
Okay. The training?
Independent.
Independent.
Independent. Yes. High training, high performance. Okay. Okay, here. This case. Hardworking. In this case, hardworking is IV or DV? I
IV.
confused you.
IV.
I just make you confused. Ah, IV. And good marks?
Good mark is dependent.
Dependent. Dependent on hardworking, right? Dependent on hardworking. Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Let's see in here. Now I'm going to discuss this one mediating या intervening variables. See, intervening variables, carry the IV relationship to DV relationship. Carry the effect of independent variable to dependent variables. Okay. And this will be middle of IV and the DV. It's called mediation variable. Okay, I'm explaining. Suppose high training and high employee performance. Then how training is influencing the employee performance? How training changing the employee performance? This is a question. Still, this relationship is not clear. See, okay, we said we know if we have a training, good training, our performance will be high. Then how will be high? There is one missing here. See. Can we see without learning, our performance will be high? No, here, let's see. I'm going to make the relationship. First, we said, okay, training will high training, high performance. But if we don't want to learn, okay, how employee performance will be high? Cannot. In our cases, I'm a trainer, right? And your result will be the output of my training. Okay, I'm a trainer, and your good result will be my training output. Okay, it's mean I will teach you, I will deliver you the good knowledge, good information, and you will give me the good marks. Okay, but one thing is missing between two. Okay, in your case, wait. Trainer, okay, trainer, and here Imran trainer is IV, right? And good marks of students DV. Got it? Understand? Okay. So question is, one more question. Question is, if you don't want to learn, okay, I taught you, I teach you. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me? Okay. Why, my laptop. Give me 2 minutes, lah. Okay. See, number one, I believe if I deliver you the good lecture, your marks will be good. But one thing is missing. Which thing? Can you tell me about one thing? Which thing is missing? Can you tell me which thing is missing?
Study.
Intervening variable is missing.
Give me a attendance this lecture for the sake of attendance. Oh, attendance and go. Bye. It's mean then our relation will be the wrong. Our relation should be teacher and attendance. Teacher is independent, attendance is dependent. That's simple. Then no need to get good marks. Actually, so learning here. Without learning, okay, learning, then good marks, right? And this one is making our relationship strong. Our relationship mean teacher-student relation. Then we can say, I have I'm a good teacher and you are a good student. If you don't have a learning, then no need. It's mean I'm wasting my time. You are also wasting your time. Got it? See, so this is a learning is a mediation variable. which building or connecting our relationship. Student, okay. See, learning, training, you learn. The high learning give you good marks. Got it? This is the intermediating relationship. Intermediating, or we can say mediating variable. Got it? Okay. Now we are going to discuss moderating variables. The third variables. This kind of variables, these moderating variables, break okay, strong or weak the relationship of IV and DV. Suppose here, you know how to represent in the table. I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw here. I'm going to draw the here. To draw the model here. See, always draw like that. Draw like that. Okay. Always draw like that. This is we can say this is a graphical representation. Okay. And the arrow must show the arrow relationship. Okay. From here, then here. Okay. In last case, as we said, training here is the learning. Here is the good marks. Good marks, or we can say student performance. Understand? See, so this is the mediating. This is a IV. IV. We can say, then write IV. Here, IV. And this one, mediating ME, mediating variable is DV, dependent variables. Okay? Understand? Okay, now we are going to discuss the moderating variables. Moderating variables. Basically, the moderating variables, it cannot group. Why cannot group? Okay, no problem. Here, wait. Here. Okay. Might be. Okay. Here. These are arrow representing the relationship between training and the good marks. Okay. Now the moderating variable here. Right now, I don't know which one is the moderating variables. This I'm trying to. We don't know which variable yet, but we represent like that. Moderating and the Z. Okay. Oh, here. Okay. See, this moderating variable can weak or can strong the relationship of IV and the DV. This is a major definitions, by the way, of the moderating variables. Now, how we, explain the theoretically the role of moderating, okay, between or on the relationship of IV and the DV. Okay, let's see. Training, good marks. External factor. We also can say moderating variables can be the external factor, like see, you came in the classroom, okay, might be the good internet connection between me and you. The good internet connection can be a moderating variable or a mediating variable. Huh?
Moderating, sir,
How moderating?
because it was
Can be a
external
mediating as
factor.
well. No, can be a mediating as well, because without the internet connection, we can lose our relations. See here, mediation. This internet connection, suppose here, right? I'm going to write here. Internet connection. See, connecting our relations, connecting teacher to students, then playing a mediating role. Understand? Central role. Got it? Yes. The quality of internet, the quality of internet can be the moderator, can connect our relationship or can disconnect our relationship. Understand this one? The good quality of internet, we can say, good quality of internet can strong the training and the good marks relationship, strong relationship. Or bad quality might be, we our training and the good marks will affect. Okay, I'm giving you one more example, very easy example. Don't forget, don't confuse here. Listen, if we eat so much food, if we eat so much food, it means we have to sleep after. Everybody, you know, full stomach leads to sleep, right? Everybody knows now. If we eat so much, it means we will sleep. Okay, then you eat so much, and next minute you have to take the Dr. Imran lectures. You must be sleep, but you didn't sleep. Why? See, Hafiz, suppose you ate before my lecture. You ate so much. According to the theory, you have to sleep after eating of so much things. But 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 in next 5 minutes, you have to take the lecture of Dr. Imran, but you didn't sleep. Why? According to theory, you should sleep during the lecture of Dr. Imran, but you are not sleeping. Why?
Because the class is interesting.
Oh, yes, interesting. So this, I'm moderator in this relationship. I'm moderator. You are, see, heavy food and sleep. Heavy food and sleep. I'm the moderator, playing moderator role. See here. full stomach. Okay, sleeping. But here, wow. Then it's mean it's not interesting. Sleep gently, no problem. You can sleep, no issue. If interesting, you will not sleep. I will break this relationship. I'm breaking this relationship, you know. Yeah, this relationship. Then I'm breaking this relationship. Okay, suppose you have a very good air con in your room. Okay, and you entered in your room after eating so much, eating so much, and here is the air con AC. AC, air con, air conditioning. Then sleep quickly. early as possible. Okay, might be here the room temperature is not good. Room temperature is high. Then you will not sleep also. Will you sleep quickly? No. According to the theory, full stomach leads to sleeping. Sleeping is DV, full stomach is IV. We know full stomach, we must sleep, but we didn't sleep because room temperature is not good, or maybe so many mosquito biting you, so many mosquito. Okay, hope you get it, the understanding of. Got it? Any question? Any question? Any confusion? Mediating and moderating variables.
No, sir.
Clear? You can read the here. You can read the maybe definition. Dependent variables is the primary interest of the researcher. The goal of research is the project understanding, predict. We already discussed independent variable DV, positive or negative way. Yeah, can be negative way. Here, reward is IV. Motivation is DV. We also we saw in the video, na? If you're doing hard working, post will give you the reward. The reward give you the more motivation for the next project, right? Okay, here, moderating variable. See again, is a qualitative gender, race, or the quantitative level of reward, the variable that affect the direction or the strength of relation between independent and dependent variable. Okay. Okay, has a strong contingent effect of IVDV relationship. This is the presence of third variable, modify the original relationship between IV and DV. Okay, okay. See, this is the graphical representation. Here, valence might be you want to what marks you want to take. What you want to take A grade or you want to take B grade? All up to you now. If you want to take one A grade, masla hardworking, you do the hard working more and the good marks. This intention will increase the relationship, make the strong relationship. If you don't want anything, maybe you want to play the cricket here, you want to play the football. Oh, might be this relationship will be affect. Hardworking and the good marks will be affect. Okay. Here also more mediator. Surface between the time the IV start operating influence the DV, or maybe building the link between IV and DV. Here, see. Reward motivation, then motivation is mediation or maybe the main source of relation between reward and the work performance. We already discussing that. Okay. Less time for exercise during class. Okay. Exercise 2. No. Okay. Now you have 10 minutes. Sambilan, how to say? 10. 10 minutes. Okay. After 10 minutes, we will discuss exercise 1 and exercise 2. Please read the board. Okay. You have 10 minutes. And for this exercise, whole class will be participate. Rather only group 2. No, whole class will participate. Okay, please start reading. Okay, first we discuss first exercise. After first exercise, we will discuss second one. Okay, you have 10 minutes. Okay, start now. We also can understand from the hypothesis, Hypothesis in the next lecture, we will cover hypothesis. See here, ethnicity will moderate the positive relationship between export performance and BRE. Okay, ethnicity are the moderation here. Okay. H1 first here. Belt and road BRE mean belt and road improve the export performance mean belt and road initiative is IB and the export performance is DV. Okay, wonderful. This is the first hypothesis. H2, how about the H2? H2, where is H2? Here. Culture friction will moderate the positive relationship between the belt and road initiative and export performance. See, culture friction also is a moderator and ethnicity also is the moderator. Basically, so this statement is, is ambiguous. Then we have to clarify their model. Maybe that representation model can find in here, or might be even we couldn't find, just refer to the hypothesis H1, H2, H3, where we can understand, okay, what is the role here? Here is IV is belt and road initiative. Oh, initiative. Okay, the DV is X or performance and the number 1 is cultural friction and ethnicity. Okay, in this case, and in this case, here might be I can give you the statement. Okay, we'll ask you, please define or maybe identify the IV/DV mediation and the moderation variable. Or might be I can give you this framework as well and we'll ask you, please identify the IV/DV and in this case, which one is IV and the DV? Let's clarify. Here. This one is IV, very clear. This one is DV, very clear. Okay, and this one between this one and this one between center, this is mediation. Okay, understand? This is the mediation. This is the second mediation. This one is also mediation. Mediation. Okay, see, like this, here and here, mediation, and also here also. This one like this one also We have three IVs. Wait, my dear student, wait. Okay. Got it? Any confusion? Any confusion? No. No. Okay, last study. One more last study. Not connected. Why not? Here. Web performance. Okay. Just last one. Okay. Then we can proceed the attendance. Oh my God, it might be a thesis. It's taking so much time. No need, la? No need. Okay, might be in this only statement. Only statement. Statement. Here. Can you identify the IV, DV? My dear student, from this statement, effects of motivation, leadership, organizational culture on satisfaction and employee performance. My dear student, where are you? Okay. They're around, they're around, they're around. IV, motivation. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. Okay. Now you have to identify the IV, DV of your project. Okay, this is your task. Time for attendance, my dear student.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Hello, sir.
Yes.